how to transfer from Bybit to Bitget. So here's a detailed breakdown. First, obtain your Bitget deposit address. So log into your Bitget account, navigate to the wallet section, and then select deposit. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, select the appropriate network for the transfer, and then Bitget will generate a unique deposit address for that specific cryptocurrency and network. And then next thing you want to do is initiate a withdrawal from Bybit. So after you log into your Bybit, go to the assets section and then select the withdraw and choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Enter the Bitget deposit address you obtained in the step 1, which is what you obtained here, and then enter the amount of the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw, and then verify the withdrawal details. And lastly, confirm the withdrawal on Bybit. So Bybit may require additional verification steps such as a security code or a two-factor authentication. And once the withdrawal is initiated and verified, the funds will be sent to your Bitget account. Now, take note though, so for some important notes, ensure you are using the correct network for the transfer to avoid losing your funds. And then, double check the deposit address before initiating the withdrawal on Bybit to prevent errors. And lastly, the transaction will take some time to process and confirm on the blockchain. And that's how you transfer from Bybit to Bitget.